Welcome to Box Breakers, celebrating our 11th year on eBay. Today's break is number 765. We're opening two boxes of Upper Deck SP Game Used 13-14 hockey. Our last winning bid was for the Winnipeg Jets, and it ended June 13th at 9:59 p.m. And according to timeanddate.com, it is currently 12:07 p.m. Sunday, June 14th. That's Eastern Time, local time in Toronto, Ontario. Our first box number is 221-431-072. This again. Let's do it, man. There she goes. Second box. 221-431-067. We've got 5 cards per pack, 5 pack per box, total of 2 boxes to open. First box. SP Game Used 13-14. We got an empty box, piece of foam backing, 5 packs. First pack of our first box. Better. Triple jersey. Tyler Myers, Luke Adam, and Thomas Vanek. Sabres. Trio jersey. Second bag. Rookie jersey, Ryan Murray for Columbus. Making a small adjustment here. Better. Third bag of our first box. Rookie jersey, Nathan Beaulieu from Montreal. Nathan Beaulieu again. Draft day marks from Montreal. Rookie auto number out of 35. Nice hit. Montreal. And last pack of our first box. Oh, this is nice. We've got a 3-color patch of Gabriel Landeskog for Colorado out of 35. Beautiful patch. Nice hit. Colorado. And that's our first box. Clean up. Keep it clean and on screen. Second box. Just like to mention, we got 6 box breaks ending tonight between 8 and 10:30 p.m. We've got some totally certified. We've got another SP Game Used identical to this one. We've got the 4-box rookie anthology 12-13. We also have a 14-15 IPG Ultimate Vault memorabilia. They're all slabs of 1 of 1. We got an empty box, piece of foam. All that tonight on Box Breakers. More appeal all the time. First pack, second box. Tom Wilson for Washington. Rookie auto gold version. Rookie jerseys, dual jerseys, Alex Galchenyuk and Nathan Beaulieu from Montreal. Game used jersey for Ducks, Jonas Hiller. Extra thick. Let's see what we got. Oh, we've got a 5 jersey. Henrik Lundqvist, Brad Richard, Ryan Callahan, Derek Stepan, and Rick Nash. Wow, Rangers. Let me just get the bases out here, out of my way here, and look at this. So we've got the Certificate of Authentication, the COA. It goes with it. I'll make sure not to forget it. Even sleeve it right away together. Nice card. That's the back. This is the front. So a 5 jersey for Rangers. Beautiful, beautiful. There we go. So that way the certificate stays together. Last pack of our 2-box break. Game used jersey for Oilers. Jordan Eberle. That's our 2-box. Okay, small cleanup, and let's do a quick recap of our hits. Here we go. Oilers game us jersey. Obviously, there's 5 jersey cards for Rangers. Jersey for Ducks. Rookie jerseys. Montreal, rookie auto for Washington, beautiful patch out of 35 for Colorado, Nathan Beaulieu, rookie auto number, rookie auto for Montreal, rookie auto for Columbus. We got a triple jersey card for Sabres. So that concludes our break number 765 of 2 box of 1314 SP Game News. Be sure to check out our box breaks tonight. Well, my name is Gilles. We thank you all from Box Breakers, your one-stop shop for box breaks.